Silverado to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1989 Chevrolet C1500 regular cab Silverado. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. A little over 100,000 miles on this one, but we're going to go around, look at these lower rockers, wheel wells, check this thing out close. Gold metallic and light sandstone metallic. Paint combination, 5-liter V8 powered, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, heat works, that's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Go ahead and take a look at this front grille, bumper. Take a look at the condition of that. Obviously, bug shield that was added aftermarket. Definitely help keep that windshield and the rock chips off the hood. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, interior, a few shots underneath the hood, bed. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link if you're watching it on YouTube. Click on that. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Now, take a look at around the wheel wells on these. Nice and clean that is. Don't see anything bubbling from behind. Riding on the stock wheels. Radial tires. And then take a look at this. Look down at these lower rockers. Cab corners. Wow, look at the condition of this. Then back up and around. Rear wheel wells. And now, take a look down this. Nice and straight. FYI, there are just a couple little ones. I think there might be a picture of them. One right there. Just a couple little things I did notice, but nothing too major. And then look at this bed. This might explain why this truck's in such nice shape. Doesn't look like this thing was worked a whole lot. Rear sliding window, but not all beat up. I mean, yeah, it's a truck bed. You're gonna have scuffs and dings and stuff here and there, but you know what I mean by being worked real hard. A couple little ones on the tailgate back here. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when calling or email. Rear bumper, nice shape. It's like a little later model rear bumper, if I'm correct. And once again, still pictures. You can look at this truck, bottom side, engine bay, interior, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. And look up and down the driver's side. Again, you can see how nice and straight that is. You know, if they get a bunch of body work to them, those long panels, it's pretty easy to detect. Especially poor body work. Now, we do have a few just kind of little rock chips back here. But solid, up around the wheel wells. Back down, lower rockers. Still some of the original protective coating from GM there. Cab corner. And up around the front one. Gives you an idea how nice a shape that the body is on this truck. Alright, let's check out that interior. Door panels appear to all be original. Cloth bench seat. Looks like it's pretty much free of rips, tears, holes. Nice condition, considering miles and age especially. Take a look at the top of the dash. Tell this thing was stored indoors. No doubt about that. Not fading, cracking. Headliner, intact, good shape. Let's fire it up. Remember I mentioned AC blows cold, heat works. Of course, EFI, don't worry about pumping it. There's exact miles, 106, 251. Did have the stereo working. Was a slight little crack on the back right speaker, I did notice, but stereo does work. It's not terrible. That equalizer, cassette player, so AM, FM cassette. Click that back off. Carpeting appears to be in nice shape also. Smooth runner, listen to that. Gotta try to hear it. Door closes nicely, everything fits right. There you go. 5 liter, sounding as it should, no crazy exhaust. Cam, built engine, anything like that. Just a nice sounding 89 Chevrolet Silverado. Alright, I'm gonna slip up to the front. Let's pop the hood, check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here it is with hood pop. 5 liter, looks like a newer alternator. AC's been converted, we can see back there. R134, again, power steering, power brakes, and nice and tidy. Engine bay. Good look underneath the hood there also. Sounds good, smooth running. And again, nice and clean. Well, this truck's well taken care of, no doubt about that. 1989 Chevrolet C1500 Silverado regular cab. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Call in or email.